Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to install Visual Studio Code in Windows 10, 11. You can use Visual Studio Code for application development. Go to the Google and search for and go to the Google and search for download Visual Studio Code, and you will find the first link for download the Visual Studio Code for Mac, Linux and Windows. Click here and onto the code.visualstudio.com/download. You will find the links to download the Visual Studio Code. It is free and built on open source, integrated Git, debugging and extension. So Visual Studio Code is free development IDE and it is integrated with Git, debugging and various extension. And Visual Studio Code is available for Windows, Linux and Mac. I am installing on Windows 10, so I will go here and click on Windows 10 11 link, and you can see the download is started. Visual Studio Code is a lightweight but powerful source code editor which runs on your desktop and is available for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. It comes with built-in support for JavaScript, TypeScript and Node.js. And there are languages and runtimes for C++, C Sharp, Java, Python, PHP, Go, .NET, etc. So we can use free Visual Studio Code for developing the application. So we can use the Visual Studio Code for developing the applications in these programming languages including C++, C Sharp, Java, Python, PHP, Go, .NET. And you can see the Visual Studio Code setup is downloaded. I will click on the exe file here, and now the installer is started. Accept the license agreement and click next. By default it is installing in the this directory. If you want to change, you can change the location, but for this tutorial I will leave the default location, and it's going to use 372.7 MB of disk on your computer. Click next, click next. So the setup is installing Visual Studio Code on the Windows 11 machine. Click finish, and this is the IDE of Visual Studio Code. I will choose the dark modern. Go to next section and mark it done. And now we can create a new file, text file. So in this video I showed you how you can create a simple text file. So in this video you learned how to download the Visual Studio Code and install on Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel.